As you are aware, people are taken away from their home, have to spend long periods of time in isolation or quarantine. This becomes tough, especially for people who indeed might not even understand what and why they are doing this. This is why UNFPA is providing mental health and psychosocial support for people in quarantine, people in isolation centers, and people in treatment centers in Gambia. Not only for them, but also for their families and community. One of such support is what we have here today. This is the quarantine center in the Greater Banjul area. Besides working with the Ministry of Health to provide professional services, we're also realizing that people having something to do actively for their physical well-being also affect their well-being and indeed improves it. This is why we just came here to have a conversation with people who have been engaged in aerobic and exercise activities through the support of UNFPA, which we provide to this center and other quarantine facilities in the Gambia.
First of all, we thank UNFPA for providing this support to those put under quarantine. An individual is confined to one place, your movement is restricted, you feel some psychological or mental stress. So UNFPA coming up with this initiative of providing these aerobics to these people under quarantine is definitely timely. This motivates those under quarantine and they feel less stress. We know the health benefits they gain from exercises. Those under quarantine, they even ask, is the man coming today? That shows that they are eager. Once the man comes, once Solomon come on the ground, you see everybody pick their mat, and what UNFPA did is just wonderful. But we also observe the preventive aspect, that is each is having their own mat provided by UNFPA. No, they don't share mats. They also practice physical or social distancing, and they also put on masks. And all the activities and the sessions definitely are impressive, are lovely.
We are just here for quarantine. As you can see, I'm just from the training center. Exercise also help us. I'm just here, comfortable, feeling happy. Some people say that the COVID-19 is not exist, but it's existed. We should take care of it because the disease is very dangerous.
We will continue to do this in the process of supporting our people in the Gambia. Together, we will beat this virus.